my Sparrows disc detainer lock pick. Hey guys, it's Joe with Average Joe Locksport. Got another opening to do, and if I'm not mistaken, I think this one came from Sparrows. So let's open it up and see what we got. All right, here. They got this thing locked down pretty tight. Come on. What we have here is the disc detainer lock that Bosnian Bill, lock-picking lawyer, and Sparrows had their little together project they had. So let's open it up and see what we got. And there it is. Okay, there is the extra set screw it comes with. Comes with one Allen key. Comes with a special tip, a second tip for the first one that you break. And here is the pick itself. And man, don't that thing look good. The telescopic part is just smooth, no catches, no little bumps. It seemed like everything works perfect. Obviously, all the lines for keeping your eye on which disc you're picking. And like I said, this thing just looks freaking great. So that is the pick. Again, we can get it up there and get a little better look. Yeah, this thing is built good, man. No slack, no nothing anywhere. So there is the pick. Again, we're going to put it back in the plastic. One more time. Here is the extra tip. And a set screw and a Allen key. Alright guys, that's it. I just wanted to show you the new Sparrows that Bosnian Bill and lock-picking lawyer and Sparrows all worked together to get this out there for the Locksport community. Kept the price down to a very affordable price. And kudos to Bosnian Bill, kudos to lock-picking lawyer, and kudos to Sparrows. Okay guys, that's it for today. I just wanted to give you a look at it. Everybody have a good day. If you like what you've seen, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, bye. If you guys like what you've seen, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.